today's video we are going to discuss some important questions that we have seen in previous years entrance question papers. So let's look at those questions. Question number 1. EPD is not helpful in researching modern or contemporary poetry. Why? The answer is the EPD's cover dates are 600 to 1900 and it includes only 1350 poets. EPD is actually English Poetry Database. Second question. What is Boolean search? Answer. It is a kind of search involving finding the combinations of 2 or 3 words in a given paragraph or verse. 3. What is proximity search? It is finding the co-occurrence of 2 or 3 words or phrases. Fourth question. What does Scarecrow publish? Scarecrow is a press which publishes children's books. Fifth question. Not all research material on www is suspect, but some which are not peer-reviewed are. All this matters has certainly to do with the dash of the material consulted. All these things have certainly to do with the scholarly credentials of the material consulted. Question number 6. Where do we find this definition of academic integrity? Commitment, even in the face of adversity, to 6 fundamental values: honesty, trust, fairness, respect, responsibility, and courage. Answer. We find this on the official website of the International Center for Academic Integrity. Question number 7. What are the 3 main parts of Speech Act theory? The 3 main parts of Speech Act theory are Locutionary Act, Elocutionary Act, and Perlocutionary Act. Locutionary Act is the action of making a meaningful utterance. Elocutionary Act is performing an intentional utterance. Perlocutionary Act is producing the effect of the meaningful intentional utterance. Next question. What is Journal of Women in Culture and Society? The journal is called Science and it is subtitled The Journal of Women in Culture and Society. Question number 9. What is recto? It is right and front when text is written or printed on a leaf of a page. 10. What is verso? Left and back when text is written or printed on a leaf of page. 11. The Lion and the Unicorn produces children's literature. The Lion and the Unicorn is actually a journal which produces children's literature. Question number 12. Third Text is a journal which publishes contemporary art and art history. Question number 13. Differences is a journal which publishes feminist cultural studies. Question number 14. Extrapolation is a journal of science fiction and fantasy or speculative fiction. Speculative fiction is a broader term and science fiction is actually a subgenre of speculative fiction. So, the journal Extrapolation publishes science fiction or speculative fiction. 15. The heresy of paraphrase is a coinage of. This is a term that we see in New Criticism and it is seen mainly in the work of Cleon Brooks, especially in his work The Well-Wrought Urn. 16. Interpretive community is a concept of reader response theory. 17. Cultural poetics is New Historicism. New Historicism is also known as cultural poetics. 18. Rhetorical reading is a concept of deconstruction, especially of the Yale School of Deconstruction. 19. The journal History of Humanities is published by University of Chicago Press. 20. Lacan-inspired phallocentric gaze in film theory is contrasted by the matricial gaze by Braca L. Ettinger. 21. Intermediality refers to interconnectedness of modern media of communication. 22. The Corner of a Foreign Field is a work by Ramachandra Guha. It is a work based on cricket. What does non sequitur mean? It means it does not follow. All these things we see in our research publications, and all these are parts of the citations in research. 24. What is obsit? If we see something like this on a research paper, what does it mean? Its full form is Latin opere citato. It means in the work cited. It is used in an endnote or footnote to refer the reader to a previously cited work, standing in for repetition of the full title of the work. 25. Et al. Means Latin et alia means and others. We see this term often in books or in research papers when we in citations where there are multiple authors. So we'll just give the name of the first author and then we write et al. 26. Ibid means in the same place. It is used in textual references to save space. 27. What is heuristic method of research? An approach to finding a satisfactory solution to a problem. 28. New Literary History, a journal of theory and interpretation, is published by Johns Hopkins University Press. 29. What is scopophilia? It is the pleasure involved in looking at other people's bodies without anyone's knowledge. So no one knows this, not even the actors on the screen or the audiences. Question number 30. Citation analysis is a subfield of bibliometrics. Bibliometrics is actually a subfield of library and information science. 31. What is the full form of UGC CARE? University Grants Commission, Consortium for Academic Research and Ethics. What is research gap? A question or a problem that has not been answered by any of the existing studies or research. 33. How to check the currency of sources? The currency of the sources are checked by the last date published and by the date of publication. 34. In-text citation of a Shakespearean play. Example. So here an example for the in-text citation of a Shakespearean play is given. Macbeth, Act 1, Scene 3, lines 14 to 17. 35. Which work is subtitled Notes Towards an Investigation? Ideology and Ideological State Apparatuses by Louis Althusser. Permalinks are stable URLs. 37. What is DOI? The full form of DOI is Digital Object Identifier. It is a unique alphanumeric string that identifies content, mainly on web. 38. Marks placed above or below a letter in a word to indicate a particular pronunciation are called diacritics. 39. What is used to show that the error is as it was in the original and not the fault of the person citing it? We see this SIC in square brackets, and it actually means that whatever is written here is cited as it was in the original, and if there is an error in this, it is not the problem of the author which is writing it, it is cited as if it was in the original. Question number 40. The Dictionary of National Biography is of which country? The Dictionary of National Biography is British. 41. Which type of research is known as curiosity-driven science? Blue Skies research. 42. Hypatia is a journal of feminist philosophy. 43. What is a journal of literature, history and philosophy of history? Clio. The journal Clio is subtitled A Journal of Literature, History and Philosophy of History. 44. ISIS is a journal published by University of Chicago Press. 45. What is the full form of CMS? The Chicago Manual of Style. 46. What kind of searching includes entering and, or, and not? Boolean searches. 47. What is the full form of CDA? critical discourse analysis. 48. A journal of critical debate is Connotations. Connotations is a journal which publishes critical debates. 49. Open access journals that charge an APC or article processing charge and do minimal or poor quality reviewing are called predatory open access journals. False consciousness was a concept propounded by Frederick Engels. So I've given here 50 questions in total. Most of the questions that come for PhD entrances are like this. This is a kind of a basic model for what you should study or what areas you should concentrate while you prepare for PhD entrance in English. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. You can also visit my blog. The link will be in the description box below.